All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing as I did in the last video, but this time I'm gonna use instead of something that was created in another system or what have you, a slide or component. I went ahead and I drew a slide carrier in XMD, and now I'm just going to import that into the XMD database as well. So again, just import the component, pick the bottom face, and give it a name, slide carrier or slide carriage or something like that. And there it is. So a nice thing about these features is when I add something, when I add a hole, a screw, or anything like that, I have full ability to add holes automatically, and you'll see that I can use key creator commands to cut holes and other things into the plate as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few socket cap screws here. I'll add 6 of them to hold this thing onto the side. And instead of picking lines like we used to do, I can pick faces right in the 3D view and place my screws in the 3D view now as well. That's just a little tidbit for existing users. Okay, first screw is placed, and I'm just going to place the second screw underneath it. There we go, finally got a spot. Okay, now a simple mirror to the other side. Now I'm going to show you a couple of the unique copy tools that we have in XMD. We have a command called copy to midpoints. So I've taken the screw and I've picked one screw, then the other screw, and the third screw is copied right in between the two that I selected. And now the next one is a copy vertical, and I'm just going to copy that new screw vertically up to the center of one of the existing screws. So there are screws added. So now we're going to need access through this carriage so we can get to the water lines. Oh, there you can see the holes are put in there automatically, and the tapped holes are automatically put into the core block. So yeah, so here are the counterbore holes in the slide. So I'm just going to use the cut command in key creator. I'm going to cut through my slide carriage, and I'll select the diameter of the counterbore. And there we go. Just window around them and put some 100 thou chamfers on each side of those holes. So that's how easy you can use other things that you create outside of XMD and import them into the database.